Hi there, guys! Imagine walking into your dark kitchen for a midnight snack and having the lights perfectly guide your way without even flipping a switch. Finding the best under-cabinet lighting makes your home feel way more modern and safe. You are watching Tech Product, and today we are checking out wireless motion sensor lamps. Let's get started. Magore's under-cabinet lighting brings a really sleek and modern solution to those dark corners of your home that always seem to be lacking a bit of brightness. One of the absolute standout things about the Magore under-cabinet lighting is the upgraded motion sensor technology it uses. This is not just a basic sensor, it covers a wide 120-degree range and can detect movement from up to 10 feet away. This is a huge benefit because the lights will pop on the moment you step into a room or start walking down a hallway. You do not have to fumble around for a wall switch when your hands are full of groceries or when you are half asleep. It just works automatically, and since it only activates in low light or dark conditions, you do not have to worry about them turning on during the middle of the day when you already have plenty of natural sunlight. Once you move out of the area, the Magore under-cabinet lighting stays on for about 20 seconds and then shuts itself off automatically if no more motion is detected. This is such a smart feature because it prevents you from wasting energy. We have all accidentally left a light on in a closet or a pantry for hours, but with these, that just is not a problem anymore. It makes navigating your home at night feel much smoother and more comfortable, especially if you have little kids or elderly family members who need to see the stairs clearly. But if you actually need the light to stay on for a longer period, you can easily switch it to the always-on mode. This is great for when you are settling down for a long reading session, or even if you are out camping and need a reliable light source for your tent. You can even use it as a portable flashlight if the power goes out, which is a really handy extra bit of versatility to have in your house. When it comes to the actual quality of the light, the Magore under-cabinet lighting is really impressive. It uses 40 energy-efficient LEDs that sit right behind a special frosted anti-glare cover. If you have ever used cheap LED strips before, you might know how those tiny little bright dots can be really harsh on your eyes. These lights are different because the frosted cover diffuses the light, making it look soft and even. It provides plenty of brightness for tasks like chopping vegetables or reading a recipe, but it does it in a way that is very eye-friendly. To give you even more control, there are 5 different adjustable brightness levels. This is a total game changer because you can set it to a very high brightness when you are working on a project in the basement, or you can dim it down to a soft glow for a nightlight that will not wake up the whole house. It gives you the flexibility to match the lighting to exactly what you were doing at that moment. The installation process is another area where the Magore under-cabinet lighting really shines because it is completely tool-free. Each light has strong magnets built right into the back. If you have a metal surface like a refrigerator or a steel shelf, you can literally just snap it on and you are done. For everywhere else, like under wooden kitchen cabinets or inside a closet, the package includes adhesive metal plates. You just peel the backing, stick the plate where you want it, and the light magnetically attaches to it. This design makes it so easy to pop the light off whenever you need to recharge it, or if you want to use it as a handheld light to find something in a dark corner. You do not have to deal with any complicated wiring, and you do not need to hire an electrician to get that high-end look in your kitchen. You can put these lights almost anywhere you can think of. They work perfectly in kitchens and pantries, but they are also amazing for bookshelves, hallways, and even basements. They help you stay organized and make every part of your home feel more accessible. The combination of the motion sensing, the rechargeable battery, and the adjustable brightness makes it a really practical choice for anyone looking to improve their home lighting setup. It is all about making your daily routine a little bit easier and your home a little bit safer without any of the hassle of traditional light fixtures. It is honestly surprising how much a little bit of extra light can make your home feel so much more welcoming and high-end. Check the price link in the description to see the current deals on these lights. Like and subscribe to Tech Product for more helpful looks at the best gear for your home. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.